I'm Ryan Lippe with the Ohio Attorney General's Office Consumer Protection Section, and I wanted to just spend a couple of minutes to talk about the importance of making sure that you scrutinize and that you research anybody wanting to do home improvement or home repair work within your home or in your condo. Statewide, we see lots of really reputable, legitimate folks out there doing business, but obviously there are a few bad apples. Sometimes more than a few. That's why you need to do your due diligence. You want to get at least 3 estimates when you want a home repair job performed. You want to make sure that they get you a written quote, and also make sure that they give you a complete description of the work to be done, the time frame, and the materials to be used. Get everything in writing. Don't consider anything a promise unless it's written down and signed off on by you as well as the potential contractor. If you want more information about keeping safe and to make sure you do the right thing before hiring a home repair contractor, go to www.ohioprotects.org. That's www.ohioprotects.org. Or give us a call if you have a complaint or if you want to report a scam of some sort or request a presentation about our consumer protection topics. You can call 800-282-0515 to reach the Ohio Attorney General's Office Help Center. We are here to help, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.